Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview, including the PayPort wallet, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the wallet. Here's a look at the PayPort wallet and why it might be a good choice for your cryptocurrency needs. PayPort is a digital wallet designed to make managing and using your crypto as smooth as possible. Whether you're a seasoned crypto pro or just starting out, PayPort aims to provide a secure, user-friendly, and convenient experience. The core goal is to offer an efficient and safe way to handle crypto assets and execute transactions. PayPort supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular choices like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various stablecoins. This broad compatibility makes it a practical solution for managing a diverse crypto portfolio. The wallet's interface is designed for ease of use, simplifying the process of sending, receiving, and storing your digital assets. Setting up your wallet is straightforward, with clear instructions guiding you through creation and security setup. Security is a key focus, with features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and encrypted private key storage designed to protect your funds. One of PayPort's standout features is its built-in payment system, which allows you to make direct cryptocurrency transactions with participating businesses and services. This streamlines the process of using crypto for everyday purchases, eliminating the need for third-party conversion services. To further enhance usability, PayPort includes transaction tracking and reporting tools, providing a clear overview of your activity. Accessibility is also prioritized, with both a mobile app and a web-based platform available. This cross-platform functionality ensures your data stays synchronized across your devices, giving you constant access and control over your wallet, no matter where you are. Importantly, PayPort is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you retain full ownership of your private keys. Your assets remain under your control, not held by a third party. Combined with regular software updates and security audits, PayPort strives to minimize vulnerabilities and provide users with peace of mind. To sum up, the PayPort wallet offers a secure, versatile, and user-friendly platform for managing your cryptocurrency. Its robust payment integration, multi-currency support, and emphasis on security make it an attractive option for both new and experienced crypto users. For more details, download links, and other resources, be sure to check the description below. Consider giving PayPort a try today.